Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class we discussed what is playbook, Ansible playbook, and so what are the syntax and how to create playbooks and also how to run playbook with how to check playbook syntax and how to check try run and how to execute our playbook and all. Already last class we discussed, right? So anyone any doubt previous class? So interview also most of the people they are asking, can you write so simple any playbook? Just write a hardly 10 to only so maximum 10 lines, right? If you want to write any simple playbook, just what is the syntax, how it will. Can you see my screen? Okay. So how to write now coming to here. Okay. So playbook is nothing but so we can play multiple, we can run multiple plays, right? That is simply if you want to understand. Ada commands means we are going to execute single line command. Only one model we can execute. Suppose if you want to execute, if you want to run multiple models, simply we go for playbooks. We can go for playbook. So we can go for playbook. So mostly right, there is target section, variable section, and also task section, handler section and all. So as of now we we saw example, right? So how to add target section and task section and all. Now variables and all we'll see, and today we'll see what is tag, Ansible tag. Very important interview also most of the people they asked Ansible tags. So tags in Ansible. Suppose right, tag is nothing but see if we have a large playbook, it may be useful to run only specific part of the instead of running entire playbook. That one line is enough. So as of now, just assume here I have added multiple tasks, right? In real time, if you come to in real time, so playbook is very large. So as of now, I added only one or two tasks, right? Hardly I added only one or two tasks. But if you come to real time, there is many tasks they added. So playbook is very large, right? So just assume this is our playbook host. I govern the DevOps. Just okay. Here I added task, right? Just assume I have a one task. So for example, I have a for example file. File is a now I am using file model. Okay. So for example, if you want to create, so this is the one task. Just assume how it will work. Home slash develops. Okay. Test.txt. This is the one task. Now state equal to I given one task. Same way, I am using one more task. That is one more model, copy model. If you want to copy or anything, shell model, command model, shell model, just we given something, right? Yesterday we given some URL. This is also one more. Now I added so M model. Okay. So I am using M model and so name equal to I given git and state equal to. So like this we added many models. So copy model with the help of copy added. Now if I run this playbook, how it is running? Suppose if I run this playbook, we are running this playbook, right? So Ansible
Stage by stage will execute.
says all tasks, all models will execute, right? Yet, yes or no? For example,
Yes, sir.
test.yml file. So if you come to real time, so playbook means they added many models. So now see here what they are telling here. If you have a large playbook, so now just assume here I have 4 modules I added. So if I run this playbook, every time all modules will run, right? Yes or no? ప్రతిసారి మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, అన్ని మోడల్స్ రన్ అవుతాయి. క్లియర్? సో ఫైల్ మోడల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, షెల్ మోడల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, ఎం మోడల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, కాపీ మోడల్. ఇట్ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఆల్ మోడల్స్. ఎస్, క్లియర్? Now it may be useful to run only specific part of instead of running entire playbook. Why I need to run every time? I don't want to run all every time all tasks, all models, right? So I want to execute only file model, or I want to execute only M model. I want to install or copy model. I hope you understand, right? Anyone, any doubt here? So now suppose if we have playbook is very large, instead of running all models, so you want to execute only specific. See here, useful to run only specific part of instead of running entire playbook. I don't want to run every time all models. I'm going to execute only some specific part of your playbook. So that case we should go for Ansible tasks. Clear? Still anyone any doubt here? Now, so now I'm going to add one more tags is the one tag I am going to add in our playbook. That's it. No need to do anything. Just I am using tags. There is one concept tags, and tags I am going to give one name. Clear? Still anyone any doubt? Now go to open here. Now if you go here, there is a tags is the concept. Okay, ad concept. So simply if anyone is asking what is Ansible tag. So Ansible tag means, suppose if we have, if playbook is very large, instead of running entire playbook, I want to run only specific part. I want to run only specific part. So that case we go for Ansible tags. Now see here Ansible tag. Now see here I am giving a same already same thing I am going to run it. Same thing I am going to run, and how it will work. So this is the server, right? This is my server, and already I connected 247. First check, so Ansible -m ping and DevOps. Just I am checking my client machines are connecting or not. Okay, so two, all right now I have only two, so it is connected. Now see here, concept is very simple. Just try to understand and remember only one line. No need to remember. See here. So what is most of the people they are asking what is Ansible tag. So if we have a large playbook, so now I have playbook. Just assume I have multiple models I added in my playbook. So it may be useful to run only specific part of instead of running entire playbook. I don't want to run every time my entire playbook. So I want to run only specific part of my playbook. So that case mostly we should go for. So this is the tag. See, add a tags to your task, either individual or with the multiple also. And select or skip tags when you run your playbook. If you don't want, we can skip also. I don't want specific tag, specific part of my playbook. So that case also we can skip your so that skip. See, select skip tags when you run your playbook. Suppose if you don't want, we can skip, or if you want to run only specific part of your playbook, that case also we can use it. So that case also we can use it. This is the syntax. See here, adding tags to individual task. So they given something, right? So anyway, some playbook how to write. See here, sudo va tag tags dot tags dot yml file. Just I given. Okay, now we know how to write. So hyphen host just DevOps. Now next task. Now I'm going to add some task hyphen name. Already right. So yesterday also install git package. Now what is the model name? M model, right? Name equal to git. Next state equal to, what is state? I want to install
Present.
present. So this is, now suppose if you want to uninstall, I want to uninstall, right? So uninstall also
Absolutely.
same, right? Now I am going to use,
Yes.
now see here, hyphen name. So uninstall package. Okay, same M. Now name equal to git. Now state equal to, what is state?
Absent.
Okay, so now try to understand this. Suppose if I run this playbook, what is happening? If I run this
First
playbook,
installing, after then uninstall.
first by default every time all it is running, right? See here, Ansible hyphen playbook, Ansible hyphen playbook, and so tags dot yml hyphen syntax, right? Syntax hyphen check. So everything, if you want to dry run, and so we can use dry run also, hyphen check. That's it. Now see here, first it is going to install, and second it will going to uninstall the software also. Got it? Clear? Now just assume, so this is my playbook. Now one time I want to install, if some missions it is not available Git software, I am going to install only installation part. Whenever if I need, I am going to uninstall. So how to do it? For every module I am going to give some tag name. I am going to add some name, and so with the help of, we can do specific task, we can execute. Now see here, this is the installation, right? Here I am going to give some name tags, some name tags. Now see here, tag tag. So what is here, what is the syntax, how it will follow? So now see here, tags, and we can give some name, any name. So here tags colon, and we can give any name. For example, install git, I can give some ins installation, any name, that is your, anyway I just I given shortcut. So this is uninstall, right? Now for this mod, for this I am going to give tag same. See here, I am going to give tag uninstall, I am going to give tags install, whatever you want, that is your wish. We can give any name, we can give any name. Okay, uninstall, ins uninstall, or anything, whatever. So git just uninstall. Now see here, this is the model, right? M model, name equal to git, state equal to present, tags equal to, I given some name, whatever name we can give it, guys, that is your wish. There is no restriction, anything, any name we can pass, your name or anything. But anyway, so in real time we need to give some meaningful name. What is the purpose, what is this model, and what name we are giving to this particular model name. Okay, uninstall. So this is the git absent uninstall. Now see here, escape colon x. Now I given two names, right? So how to run only specific tag? I don't want entire, right? So now if you want to run, so this is the Ansible hyphen tags. Which tag you want to execute? Which tag you want to execute? Now I am going to add one more also. Now one more also I am going to add. So copy module also I am using. Now CC, we can easily understand. Hyphen name. Okay, create file. Now I am giving some file model, and I am using next d dst destination, right? slash home slash dev slash, for example, I am giving for example tag dot txt. Right now anyway tag name file state equal to touch. If you want to give mode also, okay, these all are your wish, whatever you want, enough, that's it. And I am giving tag name tags, I am giving tag name create file, just I given. Okay, git uninstall, git install, git file. Now like this whatever you want we can add it. Okay, anyway, so just like this, if you add means your playbook is very large, right? So now see here I am going to add multiple models, and if I run this playbook, every time all three will be executed. First install the git, second time it is uninstalling the git software, and it is creating the file. Instead of running entire playbook, I don't want entire playbook, I want to run only specific part of my playbook. For example, you want to run only this part, I want to run only this part, I want to run only this part, anything, that is your wish. Okay, now see here create file, just remember the tag names, that's it. One is git ins, and git ins, and so this tag is create a file, escape colon x. Now so now see here, check the syntax. Okay, everything clear. Now check the dry run also, if you want to we can check dry run also how it will work. Anyway, three will be executed all. So now I don't want, now this is my playbook, just assume which tag you want to execute. Tell me, you want to uninstall the software, or you want to create the file, or you want to install the software. Now I have three, right? Three tags. Yes or no? In my playbook I have three tags. Which tag you want to execute? Instead of running entire playbook, if I run this command, simply all tags will be all right, so all tasks will be executed, correct, all modules. I don't want all, I want to run only specific tag name, hyphen
Git
hyphen
install and create files.
create file. See here, this is the install. Now see here tags, now I am using so hyphen hyphen tags. I am going to install, I am going first to see, I am only using create file. Now I am going to do only one. Before running this, first check it. So what is this? SSH DevApps at, I am connecting my client machine, any one machine, 172.31.28 IP address, 47 I am connecting any one client. Okay, now I connected. So now ls, so do we have tag.txt file here? Check it. Do we have tag.txt file here? No, right? Yes or no?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Now I am going to run only specific model, right? Sorry, specific that is model, and based on tag Ansible hyphen playbook and tags dot tag Ansible playbook. Sorry, I am in which one
So we
machine?
are in the host missions.
I am in client. Now
Go to
come to
servers.
Ansible, already that is available, right? Now see here, this is the hyphen tags. Now I am going to run only create file. Now tell me which module it will execute. I have three tags, right? Git
Last
in last
last
only it
task.
will execute. Now see here, done. Now connect your client machine. Now check it. Earlier tags.txt file is not available. Now see here, tag.txt file created just now. See here date also. I hope you got it, right? If you want to, this is the only, we need to remember one line answer. If anyone is asking what is Ansible tags, so Ansible tag is nothing but suppose if we have large playbook, it may be useful to run only specific part of it instead of running entire playbook. I don't want to run entire playbook. I want to run only specific part of my playbook. So that is the reason here I added some name, tag name for each task, each model I given one name. Now, so based on this, so now see here, now just now I run only file model. I don't want, so for example, I want to run, only uninstall model. So uninstall, so model. So how to run hyphen. Now see here, I am going to, where is this? I am client, right? First exit from here. Now go to here. So now see here, I am going to only tags get and ins. Got it? Now I don't want git package in my client machines. I am going to uninstall. I am going to uninstall. Now see here. Now it is going to uninstall. Okay. Now same way. Now there is one more tag also is the skip. Skip means particular tag only I don't want to execute. Remaining all I want to execute my playbook. Now got it. So here I have three, right? For example, you want to run only, we want to skip this only this one. Remaining all are I need to run execute. So that case, this is the syntax hyphen skip tags that particular tag name. Suppose if you want to see all list how many tags available and all, so this is the syntax. So what is this? Hyphen tags list. What is missing? Hyphen. What is this? This is the hyphen list tags. If you want to see all and all, hyphen list tags or tag list.
List
This
tags.
reverse. Sorry, reverse. List hyphen tags. So I want to see playbook. Playbook means very large real time, but this is only understanding, right? I written only 4 5 tags. But if we come to real time, you can see 50, we can see 60, 70, 100, 150 also. Now we don't know, right, which task you want to execute, which model specifically you want to execute. So that case, this is the command. If you use this one, now you can see here what are the tags available in our playbook. So as of now, I have what are the tags available? Three tags available. It is coming alphabetic order. It is coming alphabetic order. Create file one tag, git ins one tag, git un unins one tag. So only how many tags we have? Three tags. Suppose I am going to add one more also. I am going to add whatever you want shall, or we can skip only specific, right? So that case hyphen skip already is skip also. Hyphen I don't want this remaining and all I need to execute. So remaining and all I need to execute hyphen skip tags. This is the syntax. This is the syntax hyphen skip tags. So I want to execute entire playbook, but I want to skip only specific tag. I don't want run. Which we don't want to run? Get and ins. Now got it. Now in this case, so which one executing? Tell me. I have three, right? I am skipping only one. So remaining two will be execute or not? Remaining two tags will run or not? Hello. Now I
Yes,
have
it will
three.
run through.
Which one it is running? So create file also it will run, and also
Get
git in also it will
ins.
run. If you want to skip only, just run skip that particular tag also. Particular. See here in this case. Now we can see only two. So now see here install git package it is running, and also create file also it is running. That's it. So only if you want to run particular part, if you want to skip particular part, we can use hyphen skip tag name. And if you want to run only specific tag, so that case hyphen tags tag name. Very simple. So mostly interview they are touching this what is Ansible tags. So just noted only one line, and so that's it. They can easily understand. This line is enough. No need to do anything. Okay. If you have a large playbook, large means number of modules they added. It may be useful to run only specific part of instead of running entire playbook. I don't want to run every time my entire playbook. I want to run only specific part of my playbook. So that case, for every models we are going to add some name, and with the help of that name we are going to do some operation. I hope you got it right. You understand? Anyone any doubt here? That is very simple only. So remaining all are example only. So including tags, how it will work, db tabs. See here, you can pass like this also. Now directly I given column space name, right? We can give like this also, no problem. Understand? So in our playbook, how we added. So if you want to, we can give enter and hyphen space name also. This is the tag name. This is the tag name. Whatever you want, we can add it. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? There is multiple ways we can add it, multiple run it. Clear?
Clear.
Apart from this, they won't ask much. Only what is Ansible tags, and so how to run, how to skip, that's it. Now there is one more important concept, Ansible vault concept. So you know, right? Somewhere it is vault. So vault means we need to provide some security. Okay, Ansible vault. So in KTS also, you know, right? Secret config map, how we are secreting, how we are passing and all. I want to provide something, right? Same way here, Ansible, for example, I have a playbook or I have some configuration files. I have some property files. In real time means we can see many files, but so just try to understand. So some properties, mostly in real time we can see some playbook, right? So playbooks configuration files and also property files. There is many things we can see in real time. Now suppose I created one file, right? I created many playbooks. Now if you see here, everything I can see or I can modify or what, as of now, what you understand? So just now I created many files, right? For example, just assume this is my file. So now everyone can open and everyone can modify, right? Yes or no? Do
Yes.
we have any security? See here. So if you want to, we can see data, tax data, what I written. See here, developers also they can see. Everyone they can see. But you are the implemented. You are the DevOps guys. DevOps means one or two guys. So developers they can see. Everyone they can see this file. But where is security? If they want, they can add. They can modify. They can modify again. They can run it. So in Ansible, so there is one important, so most of the case center also they are asking. So Ansible vault. Okay. So what is Ansible vault? So inter mostly they are touching this part also. See here, Ansible vault. So see how it will work. So Ansible vault is feature of Ansible that allow to keep sensitive data such as passwords and keys in encrypted files rather than as a plain text in playbooks or role, whatever it may be. So if anyone right now I created many files, so everyone can see open my file, everyone can see that, everyone can see my data, my playbook or any configuration file, any username, password. So as of now there is no security. Got it? Correct? If you want to, we can modify. If you want to, we can delete also. We can see. Now I want to provide some security. How we can security? See here. Keep sensitive data such as username, passwords, properties, configuration files. In real time, we can see lot of files. Some configuration, some right, configuration files, some username, passwords, properties files, connection properties files. There is a lot of files we can see in real time. So how to provide security for these files? I don't want to see other people. See here, I want to encrypt the data. So that case we should go for. So that is the Ansible Vault. Enter, that's enough. So whatever we are explaining, see, if you want to provide security, sensitive data, suppose if you have sensitive data, and so I don't want to see everyone my files, some configuration files, username, proper username, passwords, some DB configurations and all. I want to provide some security. Rather than plain, I want to provide some encrypted format. So that case we should go for vault concept. And so hardly here only 5 comments, and so these are the 5 comments. See, Ansible vault is feature that allow to secrets. Ansible vault is primarily useful when you want to store confidential data. Confidential means some username, password, some connections and all. So I want to provide some security. So that case, so we should go for Ansible vault concept. So first I am going to create one file. So generally if you want to create any file, you are using this command, right? So see here, sudo vi, I am going to use some file, config.txt file. See, insert. Okay, for example, username, I am giving something, dev.username, dev. Real time we are maintaining like that, dev.username, username we are maintaining like this only, username, and I am providing username something, dev. So I am giving some based on project name and all, we are giving some user, some pattern we are following. For example, I am giving so test user. Okay, so dev.password. Okay, I am giving some password, blah blah. But anyway, you can see, right? Just assume escape colon x, this is my configuration file. Just assume my credential file, you can give any name, credential.txt file, config.txt file. So that is based on. Now I created one file. So do we have any security for this file right now? Yes or no?
No,
Now everyone
no,
can see, right?
no, sir, not has.
Cat space config.txt file. Everyone can see. If they want, there is no security. Everyone can see my username, password, and they can also log in, right? But what is the use? Developer also see, tester also see, DevOps engineer also see. Everyone can see. They can log in if they want. I don't want like this. I want to provide some security, encrypted my data. So how we are connecting? So these are the ways we can do. So these are the ways we can do. See here. So these many ways we can do. See. Now see here, already I have file, or directly we can create executing one by one. Now I am going to do. Now see here, if you want to initially, if you want to create new file with the encrypted format, this is the syntax. So Ansible-vault create file name, any file name. Now see here, I am going to use same command only. This is the command syntax and all same only, hardly 5 commands only. See here, create. Now see here, credential dot anything, we can give any name, credential.txt file. Okay, I created one file. It is asking password, it is asking password. See here, new vault password. So now provide password, don't forget. మర్చిపోయినాం అనుకో మనం కూడా ఓపెన్ చేయలేం DevOps. Okay, now it is opening, insert. Now see here, test dot username. Okay, username and test dot so test user, just I given test dot password. Just I given some name, and so prod dot username. Okay, I'm, I'm giving some name. So like this we are maintaining. Just assume whatever it may be. So this is my confidential file, credential file. Escape, save. Now enter. Now this is the normal file or this is the vault file. Now see here, earlier I created config.txt file. Everyone can see cat space config.txt file. Now see here data. Now this file I created. How I created this file? With the help of Ansible Vault. Now see here cat space credentials dot, what is this, cat space credential dot txt. Now see here, can you see my actual data? Yes or no?
No.
No, right?
No.
So now no one cannot see. Even they file name they can see, but they can't see any data inside that file, content and all they can't see. So now they are encrypted. Okay. Suppose if you want to see your data, so there is a one more file is there. There is a see here view. Now I create, right? I created the file. For example, I am the actual person, right? I am the original person. I want to see my data. I want to add something. I want to see what are the username, password, and all. So this is the syntax view. View means, now see here it is asking again password, but don't forget your password. If you forget your password, we can't do anything. Now see here, what is my file name? Credential.txt. Now it is asking password. Already I set one password, right? I need to give that password. Now see here, whenever if you need, we can see your data, whatever you want. Now if you want to modify, you can modify whatever you want, we can do it. Now got it. If you want to create vault file, create Ansible-vault create. If you want to see the actual data, so that case Ansible-vault space view. These are the two. Clear? Anyone any doubt? Commands is very simple only. Just we need to remember. That's it. Ansible-vault create. If you want to view your actual data, see here view. Suppose I want to edit, I want to add one more credentials, dev credential, I need to add it. So we can add this one also. Okay, edit. Now see here. Now what is this? Ansible hyphen edit. What is the file name? Which file you want to edit? Clear. Now it is asking password. Now see here, I am going to add edit. Insert. Now edit. I given some username, sorry, dev user. Anyone is waiting? I don't know. Who is that? Designer. Now see here dev dot password. If you want to, we can edit. Now see here. I given some name. Now see escape. Remaining story same only. Don't confuse here. Remaining same only. Okay. Now see here cat space credential dot. Now see here we can't say anything. Now if you want to see the data, if you want to see that actual, so my credentials and all Ansible. Anyone? What is command? Ansible hyphen v wall space view. What is the file name? Password. Just give password. Now see here. Now got it, guys. Anyone any doubt here? So these are very simple commands only. So what are those commands? So first, if you want to create, someone is trying to join. Okay. Now go to here. Ansible hyphen vault create file name. Whatever you want, we can give. Now if you want to view the data, Ansible hyphen view file name. Okay. Now it is asking password also. Next, if you want to edit file name, that's it. Now there is two more available, just check it. Now we can edit, we can unwrite. So now decrypt. So now I want to remove my password. I don't want. Okay, I don't want. I want to remove my password. Encrypt. So how to encrypt? Now see here. So now cat space credentials.txt. Correct. Now we can see. I want to remove the password for this. I want to remove. Now what is the command? Ansible hyphen. What is the command? vault vault
Decrypt
decrypt. C P KRPT decrypt space file name
credentials.
credential.txt. Now it is asking password, just give only one time. That's it. See, done. Now everyone can see. See here cat space credential.txt. Now got it. Clear? Anyone any doubt? So Ansible hyphen alt script file name. That's it. Now one more last command. Now see here decrypt rekey. I want to change my password. I want to change my password. Now see here encrypt. Okay, encrypt. Suppose encrypt means first time I didn't create with the help of vault. How to encrypt? Now observe here. First I will show encrypt. Now ls command. Now this is a cat space config file, right? So do we have any password for this file? No, right? Initial I created. I want to encrypt this file. First we created regular file only. So after that I want to encrypt this file. This is the syntax. See here cat space config.txt file. Now I want to encrypt this file. Ansible hyphen crypt file name. What is the file name? First I created. I entered data also.
Config.txt.
Config.txt file. Now it is asking password. Now set your password whatever you want. Now confirm password. Now see here what is happening. Any error? Shared permission denied. To sudo. Just I am adding sudo dev apps. Okay, encryption successful. Now see here cat space config data. Now we don't have permission also. If you want to even see sudo. Now see here. So this is now we know encrypt decrypt. So directly if you want to Ansible hyphen encrypt file name. This is a regular file. Already file is created. If you want to set password and all, so we can give this is. Now anything missing? Encrypt decrypt. Now rekey. So note we cannot modify the vault file. Okay, rekeypt. I want to change. Now I am going to change same thing only. Now already file config file, right? I am applying same command. Ansible hyphen vault vault rekey. Syntax same or not? What is the syntax? rekey and file name. Which file you want to update your password and all? So config.txt. Now it is asking vault password. Password means existing password. I am giving my existing password. Now it is asking new password. Okay. Again confirm password. Now we need to give sudo. Okay. Now old password. Now new password. Confirm password. That's it. Okay. Now with the help of new password only it will work. With the help of new password only it will work. Now see here cat space config.txt. I am giving old password. I am giving old password. It won't work. Check it. I am giving old password. So old password means view. Ansible view. Ansible. Someone is put on mute, please. Ansible icon view. And I am giving old password. Old password means it won't work. Already I updated, right? See here, old password it won't work. Even I am using sudo also. Old password. Old I am giving, it won't work. Already updated, right? See here, decryption failed. No vault secret were found. You could read config file. Again I am giving new password. Now it will work. Now see here, new password. So these are the we can use anyone. We can use anyone. I hope you got some idea, right? Anyone any doubt here? Ansible vault rekey. Rekey means what? Rekey. Rekey means what is this? We can update the your password. If you want to update your password, so we can use rekey. We can use rekey. That's it. So interview only they are expecting. So what is Ansible vault and so how to create vault, how to view, how to modify. Apart from this, they won't ask anything. That's it. Mostly they are asking what is Ansible vault. So now we understand, right? What is Ansible vault and so why you go for Ansible vault and all. Clear? Hello. So only this line enough. Only one line enough answer in interview purpose. Only one line answer enough. They won't. They are not expecting paragraph and all. Simply they are expecting only one line answer. So why you go for Ansible feature is Ansible that allows to keep a sensitive data. I want to maintain my data, some sensitive data. So how to maintain? So that case we should go for Ansible vault concept. And so remaining, if you want to read, you can read this entire document. You can easily understand what is the purpose, how it will work and all. Everything same only. Whatever as of now which I applied, so that and all. So already here everything they explain it clearly. Now these are the frequently we are using. If you want to create Ansible vault file, Ansible-vault create, and one more command view and edit, decrypt, encrypt and rekey. Hello?
Yeah,
Clear? So
yeah,
that's it.
clear.
And so now if you come to tag, so how to execute tag interview, they are asking how we are running means Ansible hyphen playbook and playbook name. Next, if you want to skip or if you want to run only specific part of your hyphen tags and tag name. If you want to skip same ఈ రెండు కమాండ్లు నేర్చుకుంటే ఎనఫ్. ఇంటర్వ్యూలో మోస్ట్లీ ఇవి అడతాడు ఎక్కువ మ్యాక్సిమం. సో ప్లేబుక్ నేమ్ and hyphen. If you want to see the list hyphen tag, if you want to see all tags, list hyphen tags, Ansible hyphen playbook and playbook name. Next hyphen what is this? Skip hyphen tags tags hyphen tag name. That's it. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? Ansible vault and so tags. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it from my side. Okay. So next class we'll